Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by installing and signing in so your documents live where you can reach them. Open the store, install Google Docs, then sign in with the account you use for work or school. Once done, enable sync and consider offline access so files are available without Wi-Fi. Grant storage and microphone permissions to save drafts and use voice typing. This gets you past setup quickly. Next, create and organize a document so you can edit efficiently on mobile. Now create and edit. Tap the plus button and pick document to start. You'll want to format as you go. Use the toolbar for bold, headings, bullets, and styles so structure stays consistent. Once done, insert images, tables, or links to enrich content and add comments to collaborate without changing text. Make sure to use voice typing for quick drafts and the search function for formatting shortcuts. These middle steps keep your doc readable and shareable as you move toward finish by sharing and exporting so others can view or edit. Tap Share, add emails, and set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions to control access. When ready to distribute, use Share and Export to save a PDF or Word file, or copy the link to paste into chat. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Toggle offline mode, clear the app cache, or reauthorize your Google account. This usually fixes sync and permission issues. If problems persist, restart the app and try again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.